Hi everyone, it's Mike, the two-lane traveler, bringing you another road trip in video. Today we're going to Ashe County, North Carolina to drive a scenic byway that I've never seen, or even heard of before for that matter. Ashe County is one of the most remote locations in North Carolina, sitting in the mountains and bordering the state of Virginia to the north and Tennessee to the west. Our target is the Big Horse Creek Scenic Byway, a 17-mile stretch from Warrensville, North Carolina, and ending at the Virginia state line. However, I'm about 2 hours away from Warrensville before I even begin that part of the drive, so I'll take the scenic route through Elizabethton and Mountain City, Tennessee, then drive the Big Horse Scenic Byway before returning home via Damascus, Virginia. We had a dusting of snow yesterday, but it's in the 40s today, so I hope we don't run into any problems. Let's get started. Elizabethton is a terrific little East Tennessee city with a charming downtown and an iconic historic covered bridge. I did a separate video focusing just on Elizabethton and the many things to see here. A link to the video can be found in the comments section below. Mountain City is another beautiful East Tennessee place worth visiting. A link to my video of this special place can be found below as well. Next, we'll pass over the mountains to Warrensville, North Carolina, where the Scenic Byway begins. really enjoyed the drive today. It was 169 miles of scenic back roads through 3 states over a period of 5 hours. I was a little underwhelmed by the Big Horse Creek U.S. Scenic Byway itself, however. But in fairness, it's late fall with very little color remaining. It might be spectacular in early fall or spring or even during the summer when you can drive with the windows open and listen to the rushing water. I may have to give it another try next year. I've included a link to the map of my entire trip in the comments section below. It identifies all of the locations shown and talked about in this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below and I'll respond. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you'd click the like and subscribe buttons. Until next time, thanks for watching.